welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell. And if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With that being said, let's jump right into this video. That was kind of a weird thing. Like, what?
This video.
Well, hello everybody. And today we have Amanda from Amandaandlola NL, and we are going down memory lane. Exactly what, 4 years ago?
Yeah.
Right, and it was our top 5 must-have makeup essentials. Oh my god, I got it right then. Nailed it! High five for me.
First time in 4 years.
Exactly. We just did a video on Amanda's channel, getting to know me. So we answered the same questions back then 4 years ago to see if anything has changed, and boy, has a lot changed.
We have totally grown.
Like, totally.
We're like big kids on YouTube now.
I know.
We're
like
not babies
pat
anymore.
on the back, you know?
I'm proud of us.
So we're just casual, comfy, and all that good stuff. So we're going to start talking about our favorite top 5 products. And Amanda, you go ahead first because welcome to my channel, even though I'm in your house.
Back 4 years ago,
Yeah.
I said like the dumbest things were my favorite, like beauty
So did
essentials.
I. Remember that little tool I had for like brushing
Your
my
lashes
eyebrows?
and brows, yeah, it was like terrifying, wasn't it? It was like a weapon of mass destruction, I think is what I called it.
Right.
Well, looking at what I have in front of me, I essentially have my top 5s that I could do a full face in a pinch on, and that's it. I've gotten a lot more strategic in my picking of things. So the first thing is a solid foundation that you know is not going to ruin your life or you don't need to test out. So this is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. It has SPF in it. I'm a pasty white girl and it's NC12, but this is great. It's great. 10 out of 10 recommend it.
Never tried it. I should. So I don't even know where to start, but I'm going to start with blush. This is the Jouer palette. This is the Rose Cut Gems. Isn't it pretty? Love the packaging.
Very pretty.
Right. This here. Oh yeah, I dug my nail into it.
Of course you dug a nail.
So I got this on sale into Sephora because this is the Christmas one that came out for $38, and I love this palette. I even just popped some of the blushes onto my eyes as well. It is so beautiful. It's actually my first Jouer product that I've ever purchased.
I really like that a lot. That's a nice blush.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I love how I went for the hot pink. My next pick is a concealer because Lord knows every girl needs help waking up in the morning, and this is where it's at. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. If you live in Canada, you have to get it through Tarte Cosmetics or through Ulta. It's not a thing in Canada, and it's just mean. But I have multiple. They're stockpiled, and I think I'm like the lightest shade ever in this too. What is it? 12 and Fair Neutral. I think we're the same shade.
I think so,
because
yeah.
I'm pretty sure I swatched yours, and I was like, when I order, I need to know, and we exact match.
Another face palette, because where this one here was their, I think, like, I'm not sure if it was limited edition for Christmas time, so if it is, I do apologize for that, but if you're able to get it, I'll have it listed down below. But if you can't get it, this is your next best option. This is Natasha Bloom Blush and Glow palette. I don't know how many times I'm after talking about this palette in my videos, but a lot. Love the products in here, and of course I always talk about the little plastic lid that's on here that protects the 2 cream products. Yes, I did buy the Natasha Love Glow face palette. Love that one as well. But this one here I genuinely use a lot. It is gorgeous. Don't be afraid of this cream.
She's like, that's what Amanda's thinking. She's
Yeah, I was totally afraid of that, how dark it is, because it's so rich and like such a rich red. But once you put it on your cheeks and blend it out, it just like kind of milks into the skin. I used to take it and just apply it with a brush or just my fingertip, but now I like to take a knockoff Beautyblender because I don't like Beautyblender.
We're about to have a fight.
Right? So I just take it. Can I have yours for a minute and just show something? So I just take it and dab it, and you dab it on because you don't want to really kind of smush the product around. So anyways, this hair is beautiful. If you don't have it, you should. It's definitely an investment piece.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the difference though too between high-end and drugstore products or
the
low-end.
cream is different.
And it's separated from a palette.
Right.
You're paying packaging
exactly
and durability, if you will, I guess, and it also makes it better quality because they're not getting muddled together. Yep. That's a point people seem to forget.
That's right.
Pick is something she's gonna say she hates is the actual original Beautyblender. This is actually a new one. I love this thing. I have knockoff beauty sponges, and I don't love them like this.
I
I mean,
do.
the Real Techniques one is good, and I've got one from Rimmel that's decent, but Beautyblender for life. This is great for all cream product. I use it for cream bronzers, cream blushes, highlights. I mean, it is a versatile thing.
That's
so
right,
if you're in
yeah.
a pinch and you only use cream product because it's quicker, if you just have this, you're good for like 90% of your makeup.
I buy mine at Winners.
No tea, no shade.
I love the ones from Winners, especially the black and white ones. Love them. And the one that's out by e.l.f., it's like that deep burgundy one. Love it. It's beautiful. Another face palette, which I know, don't come for me because I know you cannot get this anymore. But I need to talk about a product that's in this palette.
Are
that
you sure
can...
you can't get that anymore?
Oh, I'm pretty sure it's the Mini Brown Squad. Cheekleaders, I'm pretty sure.
I'm positive the other night when Lola was at the groomers.
No, there's new ones out.
Oh, they're different?
Yes.
Never mind then. I tried for y'all.
But the reason why I'm talking about this, because of course it has Hula, which you could buy by itself. Gold Rush, I think you can buy by itself now too. But this is the reason why I'm talking about it. You all know that I'm already going to talk about it because I talk about this highlighter a lot. Cookie. You could buy it separate. You could buy the big one, $40. So if you already have Hula and you already have Gold Rush, or if you just have Hula and you only want Hula and you only want Cookie, well then it's great because you can buy them separate.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful highlighter. Like,
as I'm scrolling
just,
Sephora for it now.
It's just gorgeous. You could swatch it.
Okay. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. It is beautiful. I love it.
Wow. I'm almost out of my favorite highlighter ever, MAC Soft and Gentle. So I might have to...
Yeah, you could also buy it at Shoppers too. So if you don't want to go to Sephora to get those few little points, you could go to Shoppers and get your points.
Save money down the road on another purchase.
Exactly. Beautiful.
My next thing is a good brow product. I am a Benefit Cosmetics brow girl. Guilty as charged. I love their Precisely My Brow, the Goof Proof, They Give Me Brow, and this is their new brow styler. This is a 2-in-1 product. I haven't actually like super used it yet. I've tested it out a bit and I like it. So it's a nice pencil. And then on the other end, it's a powder to set it. It's great. So it's a dual-ended product. We'll insert close-ups, guys, because this is just, we're too far away. But it's really nice. It's $45. It's a bit expensive. Yeah. But I learned a long time ago with Benefit products that they are worth the splurge because they last forever.
Yeah. I love Goof Proof. Tonight I have tonight actually, you guys are watching this in the day. We're at night. Today,
Mom life.
Today I have on the one that's by NYX, and it has like the little kind of rounded brush, almost like the Fenty Beauty ones. Not really loving it. But anyhow, and back in the day, in that video, I think I did say I used the spoon method.
Yep, you did. And I was looking at you like, huh? I just do it freehand. And you said, I like them to be more like twins.
But I don't do the spoon method anymore.
Do you do freehand now?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure I said back then too you would grow out of the spoon.
I think so. Well, this was a gift from my mother for Christmas. Last Christmas, she had given me the Huda Beauty, the New Nudes palette, which you know is like my ride or die palette. It's my holy grail palette, and I try not to talk about that in a lot of my favorite videos, but I just can't help myself because I use that palette a lot. Well, we have a new one. This here is the Huda Beauty, and it's the Mercury Retrograde. It's such a weird name. Like, thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. I got you.
This one is a lot different from the New Nudes palette for the simple fact because that one's like a cardboard cover. This one is nice.
Let me see the inside.
Isn't it pretty?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Go ahead, swatch. It's like really
I'm just inviting myself in.
Right? It's so pretty. The shades in here are gorgeous. And tonight, tonight.
It's all same.
I'm wearing Libra, which I am a Libra, and I'm also wearing Hot Mess, which I am a Hot Mess. Because
same.
But this palette is gorgeous. I just wish it also had the concealer in it, like the New Nudes palette. A lot of people weren't a fan of that, having the concealer in there, because you kind of get your powder products in it.
That would be my complaint, 100%.
Right? But I never ever did, and I use that on a daily, and I never ever did get any powder in the concealer. So that's the only thing I wish that it had in it, because I use that concealer a lot when I'm using that palette, right? But it's all in all just a gorgeous, gorgeous palette, and I love the fact now that it's plastic.
Safer.
Exactly.
Better, blah, 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 boo. I bet there's a better mirror in there too in comparison to the cardboard one.
Yes,
100%.
it's bigger.
Yeah.
Right.
My final product is by MAC Cosmetics. I have always been a MAC lipstick girl. This is in the shade of Rebel. I'm pretty sure we talked about Rebel
Yes,
4
we
years
did.
ago.
We totally
Yeah,
did.
you had it, and you said that, and Cyber was the lip liner you paired it together with, I'm pretty
Cyber
sure.
World.
Cyber World, yeah.
That's right.
And I said, oh my god, I love Rebel, and we didn't talk about it for me, so I busted it out. I mean, this one has seen its day. It's been well loved, so a good MAC lipstick, always a cult favorite. We'll never give it up. It's
Yeah.
like a strange
I don't know which ones I should talk about because I feel like and you guys are like, what are you talking about down there? So I'm just going to combine these two to make it
plan.
like my final one.
Good plan.
Because I always talk about the Lumiere Sheer Pressed Powder in translucent. I've had this now for over a year. Just smell how it's just so divine. It's
That
just
is nice.
It is
Very
gorgeous,
nice.
and I have dry skin, and I find that a lot of powders like emphasize the dry skin, makes my skin flake, and it's so not pretty. But whatever is in this powder, I just dust it on my face, and there's no flakiness.
It's like a veil.
zero. It's beautiful. Well worth the purchase, and like I said, I've had this now for over a year, so it's been lasting me a super long time. And then I'm just going to combine these two in here. This here is the brush that I use with the powder. So just take it and I just buff it all over my skin after I contour, highlight, blush. Just makes it look like it's all put together. This is the Sephora, and it's the Pro Featherweight powder brush, number 91 brush. Beautiful.
It's huge.
When I first got it, it wasn't like so poofy as it is now. When I first got it, I actually hated it. And
That's
I was
what
like,
you gotta
oh,
take it for a ride if you
yeah. Like I wanted to bring it back. I was like, no, we'll wait.
try it out.
And I love it. And this here is by Sigma, and it's the Tightline E16 brush. I don't really necessarily use this for tight lighting around my eyes. Tight lighting.
Tight lining.
Lining. I take the cookie highlighter and I just apply it to the inner corner of my eyes. This is what I use. And then underneath my brow bone.
Nice.
With it as well, and it's just the perfect size brush to apply the highlighter. Love
small detailing brush.
And just let you guys know, because I know sometimes it's hard to, well, it's not hard to get Sigma anymore, but to order it to Canada, it's very costly. Winners will be your best friend, because that's where I'm after finding all my Sigma brushes too, is at Winners.
Wow.
I
Tuesdays and Thursdays in St. John's, right?
That's correct, Tuesdays and Thursdays.
This girl never makes it.
So you guys, that's it for our top 5 must-have makeup essentials, favorites.
Nailed it.
Winning. I will leave all Amanda's information down below. Go over and check out her channel, show her some love, and let us know in the comments down below, what is your top 5 must-have favorites from high-end to drugstore? We would certainly love to know.
I'm fascinated to know. Would you say we've completely changed in like
From the last video?
100%?
Like 4 years ago?
4 years ago, us was like
Definitely.
beauty on a budget, and now everything we talked about is high end.
Yeah, and even my videos now, 1080p quality. Back then it was like 720, or maybe even
we've
lower.
stepped it up.
Like the picture of the video is very small.
You can see the black bars. Yeah.
Right? Yeah, it was totally.
We've had a glow up.
Yeah, we've totally changed over the years.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome, and thank you for having me in your house. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay. Alright, that's recording. There we go. That's recording. Yay, blooper reel. I love how Lola's head is like, I'm here! Oh my god, I feel really tall. Yeah, I feel really short. Because I'm ready. Okay. I'm ready whenever you are. Go for it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole Chantell, and I'm here with Amandaandlola. And today we're gonna do our top 5 must-have makeup stuff. Usually winging it. I have a tendency to make faces.
Cannot live without, and I've tried. I've had dupes. I've had many makeup sponges that I can't love as much as I love the Beauty.
I don't have them on today, but oh god, I'm so shitty at this. But
You're not. Relax. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This stuff's amazing. This is like my 4th tube. The brush is intense. It's huge.
clean smell to it, really almost like a fruity hint to it, but not overpowering like some of them are. So that's awesome for the hair.
Is it expensive?
$19.99.
That's not terrible.
Price tag's still on it.
Oh wow. Smooth.
Awesome. I gotta take a picture now. because I don't know how to do that. What you were talking about?
It's different on a MacBook. All you have to do is go Command-Shift-4 on a MacBook, and you can just literally highlight what you want to take a photo of.
I'm still learning, people.